Don't forget.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
So we asked ourselves, what's the craziest and stupidest thing that we could do to spice things up?
Santa Claus, reindeer, bird, extravaganza. Santa Claus, reindeer, bird, extravaganza.
Here's that story. Alright, let's get the logistics. What are the main logistics we got here?
A Santa Claus suit.
So Santa Claus,
A bunch of reindeer onesies.
reindeer onesies.
They're electric scooters.
Oh yeah, bird. This is Louis' idea. Christmas lights, aka fairy lights.
Deer antlers.
Oh, Santa Claus, we need the full outfit, including the beard, full uniform. Shopping cart with like wrapping paper. Santa Monica.
Ocean Avenue.
Okay, I think we're ready to go.
Shit. Santa Claus, reindeer, bird, extravaganza. There you go.
Off to Walmart we go. About to buy some Christmas supplies, Santa supplies, all that good stuff. Yeah. Walmart, the one-stop shop for Christmas gear. Merry Christmas! Ho, ho, ho! Walmart was a bust. There was nothing there. Hey, my guy! Let's go!
What's up? Where's the party at?
Yo,
This is what I'm gonna be in less than 24 hours, like
Yeah.
8 hours.
Really?
Yo, what's the vibe?
Hey man, God bless everyone. 2019 is over. Man, hopefully you guys do the best next year coming up. Get rich, you know, make that money.
Yeah, get that money.
Get that girl.
Yeah, all right. Thank you. No reindeer supplies, no Santa supplies. So right now we're off to the one and only Target. Walmart's canceled. Right now, and I have some friends I want to say hi to the camera, but they're really shy, so shh. How many should we get?
As much as you can.
Actually?
As much as you can.
Yes! Oh, these are Fortnite.
These are Fortnite, but it's close to deer, right?
Close enough. Yeah, yeah. Wiped clean. Hey. Marshall, Maximus, Brandon.
Why?
Nathan.
I won't have a career after this in anything serious, so please don't let this flop. Put this guy in a sleigh and bird up. Birds are electric scooters, and then we're gonna ride down Ocean Avenue, which is one of the most popular boulevards in all of Los Angeles, and drag him along as if it's Santa with his sleigh.
And a very, very Merry Christmas. Baby.
Do it just. Hey.
I don't want
Crazy, right?
This guy's.
Company.
I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true. All I want for Christmas is you. I won't ask for much this Christmas. I won't even wish for snow.
Oh shit!
Hey, I'm Justice of Rose. They call me White Justice, straight out of Dallas, Texas. Here to let you know that I had to open my mind, open my eyes, so I can visualize all the white lights. Almost got Merry Christmas on this side. It's about
Thank you. Thank you. What do you think?
I mean, where do I sign up, honestly?
we got an extra suit. Do we have the extra suit still? Yeah.
I'm so down.
Yes!
Yo, give her the extra suit.
Hell yeah. What's your name?
Ashley?
Ashley?
Ashley.
Nice to meet you.
We got the extra suit. We got the extra suit. Hell yeah.
Thank you. Ashley?
Let's go.
Hey, let's go. Yeah. Yeah, let's go.
We need to with some embarrassment back there. With a little Christmas spirit, you can do anything.
Yeah. Wait.
Yeah, give him a hug.
Group hug.
Let's go.
Always have holiday spirit year round, no matter what time of the year it is. Keep up with those positive vibes and keep being awesome.
Keep them up.